Hello and welcome to another GIS and remote sensing tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to import latitude and longitude coordinate information in Google Earth from a CSV file. Now let's start. This is our weather station data. In this database, you can find station ID, station name, longitude, latitude, elevation and other data. At first, we need to save as the data as a CSV file. Go to File, then Save As. Just enter a name and open this drop down and select CSV, delimited and save. Please choose your directory when saving. I am saving it into desktop. Click OK. Now the file has been saved as CSV format. Okay, open Google Earth. Go to Tools, then Options. Click the lat long as decimal degrees. We will select decimal degrees because our data is in decimal and degree. Then click Apply, then OK. Now click File, then go to Import. Go to your directory, select generic text and CSV, then select your desired file. Just click Open. Now select delimited, then this is CSV and comma separated, then click Next. In the latitude field, select latitude, then in the longitude field, select longitude. In this section, by default the latitude and longitude will be selected automatically. If this is not selected automatically, just select the latitude and longitude, then click Next. Just keep as it is, then click Finish. Do you want to apply a style template to the feature you ingested? Just click Yes. Then select the field name you want to show in this map. I am selecting station name. You can select the color and also an icon. I am selecting an icon, then just click OK. I am saving the template as it is. The points are not showing. We need to tick this box, then it will be shown on the map. All points are showing in the map. Just click a single point, you will pop-up will show and show about the point information. If you want to change this point, just right click on the file and go to Properties, then click Style, Share Style, And in this section, color, you want to change the color. I am selecting the red. Change the color. You can change the scaling from here. You can change the label color also here. If you want to change the point icon, then just click this button and select a point that is suitable for you. Click OK and OK. You can save this point as KMZ file. Just right click, save place as KMZ and save. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.